Are you the lucky owner of an A6300 or an A6500? If so, grab your calendar, cancel your plans, because you've got a firmware upgrade. So, how do we do this? First of all, go to the Sony website of your choice and search for your camera, in this case the ILCE-6500, and select your operating system, Windows 10 64-bit in this case. That will come up, and here we go. Released on the 1st of February 2018, version 1.05. It's a 254.99. If only they could have just added that extra and got it up to 255 megabytes, but there you go. Let's have a look what this is going to bring to us. Adds support for the SEL-18-135 lens, improves overall stability of the camera. Now, when they say that, you never quite know what kind of mythical magic they're putting in, or indeed taking away. So leave me a comment below and let me know what you found to be better or worse. Sounds like a marriage, right? Now, it's been said many a time, take it easy with these firmware updates. I always say it and I always get comments of a bricked camera. So let's go through this. If you are at all able, try and find the USB cable that came with the camera. Now, let's begin. First of all, you need to download the update, and the system software updater starts. Carry on reading through all of this. As the firmware updater clicks, click next. Check the current version displayed. The current version is 1.04 or lower. Click next. The camera will now automatically reset. After the camera is reset, the update starts. The progress bar appears while updating, approximately 5 minutes. Yeah, give it 10, give it 15 and give it more. Do not power off the camera or disconnect the USB cable until the update process is complete. If you do that, game over. You're on a trip to Sony land. Now, I've had this before. The message recovering data, please wait, may rarely display on the camera. This is normal. Wait for this message to go away before disconnecting the USB cable. I've had that, and let me tell you, it was squeaky bum time. Now, once it's all done, disconnect the USB cable, camera off, camera on, and enjoy all your new firmware goodness. So there you go, download here, 6300, 6500, go and grab your goodies, and as usual guys, it's been emotional.